Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to change time on Outlook meeting. Alright, so in case you already scheduled a meeting and you want to change your time to something else, I'll quickly show you in no time how to change that. Now, to achieve that, you want to ensure that you already have your account set up, and if you do, just head over to sign in over here and then go through the necessary process to get your account signed in. And if you do not already have an account, do well to click on create a free account and then create your Microsoft Outlook account in simple, easy steps. Remember that Microsoft Outlook also gives you a variety of options to pick, whether you want the free Outlook, basic Outlook, personal or family size plan. You can pick any one of your choice. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions and all of the information outlined over here to see what each of these plan provides. When you're done, pick your preferred plan and navigate to your home page, which would look like this. Now remember that changing time on Outlook meeting is important because it helps to control over scheduling. It also helps with automatic replies and consistency of meeting details, as well as a lot of other information or reasons why one would want to change their time on their Outlook meeting. Now let's quickly head into the video. To change the time on a particular meeting, do well to click on that particular meeting. First of all, head over to the left panel over here and click on calendar, where all your meetings are. Now go over to your scheduled meetings. As you can see, this is my calendars over here, and I already have a variety of meetings I had already set. Click on the particular meeting you want to work on. You will see the date and time which you have scheduled the meeting. Head over to this drop down icon over here, change the date and time for that meeting, and when you're done, just click on OK, and then you can share this to the contacts you want to share, and they will receive the updated mail for this particular meeting. So this is how you can simply change the time on your Outlook meeting without any hassle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to change your time on Outlook meeting without having any form of confrontations. Until next time, thank you and bye for now. No, don't tell me.